Alright, I'm going to show you how to do this. So, you're on your Capcut screen. What you want to start with is pressing this create project. Then you're going to push import. You're going to pick a few images. I'm going to pick 3. That one. Alright. So, if you want to add this to your timeline, which is right here, your actual video, you can either drag by right-clicking and holding the video to scroll it down, put down. Do the same on the other one to put it on the back or front like this. But do you remember you can also press this little plus button up here, and when you do that, it's going to add it to the front right here instead of the back. So keep that in mind when you're adding new content for this video. Alright, so start with, we're going to go up here to text, press that. We're going to press this little plus button on the side. And then the little text is right here, but I'm going to change it to black, that way you can see it. There you go. I'm going to write Bible stories. Alright. So after you write whatever you want to write, you can come up here to text to speech, and then pick any of these voices. You cannot pick the ones with the diamonds unless you're paying for the pro membership, but we just go down here and select whatever you want. Let's see.
Bible stories.
Okay. So after you've picked whatever one you want, make sure it's highlighted like here. Then push generate to speech. And what I'll do is create a little audio file down here. And you can right click on this or left click on this and drag it wherever you want in the video. I prefer it to be in the beginning, that way it reads off this title. So if you push play,
Bible stories.
you can hear it say it. If you want to make like these images shorter in your video or longer, you can come down here, left click, and or click to highlight it. Get right in the middle and then just drag it down wherever you need it. And you'll see like this little line lining up with Bible stories up here. That just means that your words will disappear after this set. So and then if you want to keep going, just go to each image right here in the beginning and then do the same thing, push plus on that again up here, and then go to text to write whatever you want. And I'm going to show you something on here. Hold on. So if you want to like write a paragraph and make it make the voice where it has like a pause in between, so it doesn't sound like a robot in AI voice. You just need to write it like you would in a paragraph. Just make sure you use your commas, like in here, like "let there be light," and I'll put a comma, and then say, then light came, nope, to the world. So you do that, and then do the same thing. Type that in, whatever you want. Go text to speech, pick a voice.
Let there be light. Then light came to the world.
Yep, and you can hear it sounds a lot better and more fluent. So generate speech again. It's down there. Then it'll be right here. And also, like you see kind of in the picture, what letters are big and stuff. You just come over here to the corner and just resize that however you want. That way you can make it fit. Or obviously, come over here to text and push enter to lap it like this, and then you can make this bigger. There you go. So you can see that a lot better. And you just keep doing that for every picture until you get what you want from it. So, and of course, like in these letters, if you want to change like the way it looks, they got some present styles, or you can mess with it yourself. Let's see. They got like this one where it has like green light or green collar but a black in front, or just white with a box, or whatever you want. That's the basis of it. So, you have any questions, let me know.